Wow, welcome back. If you have been wondering how notebook is produced in the factory, this is the full video for you. Okay? And it is the kind of video you've been looking for. So stick around. This particular video will show you how the inner notebook is produced and to the final finishing of this notebook. How the inner pages are produced, how the cover pages are produced, and how it was properly finished and packaged. So now, what you are seeing here is the paper, the raw paper that the inner pages will be printed in, will be printed on. Okay. So what you are seeing here is that the paper is being prepared, and next thing that will happen after now, the lines on the pages will be printed on all these paper. This video is very interesting. In fact, if you watch it to the end, you are going to see how beautiful those notebooks are going to look like. So just feed your eyes with this beautiful stuff. So now the ink is being applied. Okay, this is an offset printing machine. This is an offset printing machine. I have talked about offset printing machine in one of my videos, so I will leave the link to that video in the description of this video, so you can check that later and have full knowledge on what I mean by offset printing machine. So now the inner pages is being printed where students or where individuals are going to write with pen. So if you check it, the lines are properly ruled, the lines are properly printed. So keep watching to the end, because the end of this video is going to amaze you. So the printed copies are being rolled out, and the next thing that is going to happen here, it's going to be sorted and it's going to be folded. Okay, so this is basically the inner pages of the notebook. This is very interesting. So what else? The next thing is that the back cover was already printed. Okay, so I have a full tutorial that teaches you how to design the back cover of a notebook, as beautiful as this one that you see here, and even more beautiful than this one that you've seen here. So I will still leave the video in the description of this video, so you can check that later. So all the inner pages are being sorted and being compiled together and being stapled with the back covers. So you see how beautiful these notebooks look like at the end of the day. It has not finished though, so I want you to see the end of this video, how it was properly packaged. Wow, in fact, that is the most interesting part of the video. It was properly packaged. So keep feeding your eyes with this interesting video. This is wonderful, this is beautiful. Okay, the next thing that is being done now is that the notebook is trimmed. So this notebook is trimmed, properly trimmed. Okay, so that those excesses will be removed. You see what is going on there? So this is an industrial cutting machine. That is an industrial cutting machine. You see what is going on there? Wow, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. This is amazing. So if you have a vision, a plan of owning a notebook factory, I think this video is valuable to you. So this is the walk around. This This is how it is done and properly packaged. So what is happening now is that the final printed and trimmed notebook is packaged. So in fact, this final process is very, very important if you want to deliver beautiful jobs to your clients. So this is very, very important. This is amazing. This is amazing. In fact, I love what I see here. This is amazing. So I have a full tutorial on how to design your notebook cover as beautiful as the one you see here. So I would like you to go through those videos and know how to design beautiful notebook covers.